Sudan and he negotiated peace between South Sudan and the government of Sudan under Nimeri. That gave us autonomy in the south. After that, when Nimeri again tore the agreement, and he said that this agreement was a man-made. It was not a Quran, nor was it a Bible. He tore it. War erupted again. We ran to Ethiopia. By that time, under Mengistu Haile Mariam. And Mengistu was fighting with Tigray, with all the people with Asmara, with all the people of Ethiopia. He was fighting everybody. But with all that in heart, he did not chase us away. He led us, he stayed with him, and he gave us the support which established SPLM, SPLA. When he was overthrown and late Meles Zenawi came into power, he did not forget the people of South Sudan. He again gave us the support even more than what Mengistu gave us. After Meles Zenawi, the people coming after him never turned us away. And I so pledge my sincere greetings to all of you, the people of Ethiopia. And we will always stand with you. Wherever you want to go, we will go with you. I have no more words to tell you. I just came to pass my congratulations to my brother, my younger brother, Dr. Abiy Ahmed. And I wish him all the best of luck. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. President. Thank you very much indeed. I now invite His Excellency Ismail Omar Gele, President of the Republic of Djibouti.
Sahle-Work Zewde, President of Ethiopia, Dr. Abiy Ahmed, Prime Minister of Ethiopia, Excellencies, Heads of States and Governments, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. More the enduring democratic process in our brotherly country of Ethiopia. It is also an honor for me to convey my best heartfelt congratulations to His Excellency Abiy Ahmed on this auspicious occasion. Mr. Prime Minister, I stand before you today to bring you a message of hope and encouragement on my own behalf and on behalf of my people. We also bring to you and to the people of Ethiopia the well wishes and support of the Djiboutian people. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, with a proud history dating back to the Abyssinian empires, Ethiopia has taken the lead on many Pan-African issues, whether as the first African country member of the League of the Nations in the late 1920, or as the birthplace of the Organization of African Unity, now known as the African Union. More recently, Ethiopia has also charted an unprecedented path of growth and development that has served as a locomotive for the entire continent as a whole, but more importantly for our region. As we all know, throughout this long and glorious history, Ethiopia has gone through many defining moments and has always come out stronger. It has belied the dogmas of those who condemned her to ruin. It has always remained united in the face of a struggle. Today, more than ever before, we hope to see an Ethiopian nation that is at peace with itself, a nation that forgives all of our sons and daughters and collectively builds on the achievements of yesterday to reach an even higher ground. We all know how fragile peace is in our region. And on our continent, we have all, at some point in our history, stared into the abyss of collective destructions, but we have always managed to hold on to what brings us together and let go what divides us. We have fought long and hard for all our achievements, and nowhere is that statement more true than in Ethiopia, where for centuries a myriad of cultures have coexisted and built this great nation. You absolutely must protect those hard-earned gains. Indeed, as a nation steeped in its long history of cultural and religious diversity, rich of centuries of successful development and progress, we remain certain that the Ethiopian nation is bigger and stronger than whatever ails her. Ethiopia always gets back stronger despite everything, and we are counting on her to do so. We remain certain that Ethiopia will emerge victorious and will be reconciled with herself and with all her children. We pledged our full support to you and your people on this next journey. እንኳን ለአዲሱ ዓመት አደረሳችሁ። እንኳን ለኢሬቻ በዓል አደረሳችሁ። ኢትዮጵያ ለዘላለም ትኑር።
Thank you, Mr. President. Thank you very much indeed. I now invite His Excellency Macky Sall, President of the Republic of Senegal.
Excellences, Madame la Présidente Saleh Work Zaudi, chères sœurs, Excellences, Monsieur le Premier ministre Abiy Ahmed et Madame, Excellences, Mesdames, Messieurs les chefs d'État, chefs de gouvernement, autorités de la République fédérale d'Éthiopie, Mesdames, Messieurs, à vos rangs et qualités, je tiens d'abord à vous remercier chaleureusement, chers frères et amis, Premier ministre Abiy Ahmed, pour votre aimable invitation et pour l'accueil convivial qui nous a été réservé dans la pure tradition d'hospitalité éthiopienne. Après votre visite à Dakar le 7 septembre dernier, je me réjouis de prendre part à cette cérémonie d'investiture en raison de la tradition d'amitié sénégalo-éthiopienne qui remonte à 1966, année d'établissement des relations diplomatiques entre nos deux pays, l'empereur Haïlé Sélassié. S'y ajoute la fierté que nous avons, africaine, au cœur de la vieille terre de civilisation abyssinienne. Au nom de nos idéaux communs de liberté et de démocratie, je renouvelle mes vives félicitations pour la victoire éclatante de votre coalition à l'issue du scrutin du 21 juin 2021, par lequel vos compatriotes vous ont encore une fois renouvelé leur confiance. Félicitations, cher Ahmed. J'y ajoute mes ardents vœux de réussite pour vous, votre famille, mes vœux de paix, de stabilité, de concorde nationale et de progrès pour le peuple éthiopien, amis et frères. Ensemble, nous avons de grands défis devant nous. Préserver la paix et la stabilité de nos pays, relancer nos économies durement éprouvées par la pandémie politique et économique de notre continent et œuvrer à l'avènement d'une gouvernance mondiale plus juste et plus inclusive. Ensemble, nous pouvons relever ces défis en associant nos moyens et nos intelligences et en travaillant la main dans un esprit de solidarité fraternelle. À vous, chers frères Abiy, je voudrais d'abord vous féliciter par les transformations structurelles que vous faites subir à votre pays, l'Éthiopie, et à Addis Abeba, qui est devenu méconnaissable. Mais également à nos collègues ici présents et à tous nos frères et sœurs du continent. Je renouvelle l'engagement du Sénégal pour continuer l'œuvre que nous avons.
Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta, President of the Republic of Kenya.
Your Excellency, President Saleh Zwede, President Prime Minister Abiy, Your Excellencies, heads of state and government, let me at the very onset, your brothers and sisters from Kenya, to congratulate you, my brother, on your election as Prime Minister of the Federal Republic of Ethiopia. I stand here to offer you our support as you continue with your endeavors to rebuild Ethiopia. Kenya stands ready to work shoulder to shoulder with her brothers and sisters in Ethiopia to build a great region of prosperity and peace. So, my brother, we assure you of our support. But equally, my brother, I remind you that today, the people of Ethiopia have given you a mandate to lead, a mandate to bring peace, a mandate to build stability, a mandate to bring all the people of Ethiopia together. Today, you are the Prime Minister of those that gave you the vote and even those that did not give you the vote. These are all your people. And our hope and our prayer and our support will be with you as you bring this nation together. Ethiopia is the mother of African independence. Ethiopia, as the only uncolonized nation, stood firm with her brothers and sisters to ensure that the African people were free to determine their own destiny. So for all of us on the continent, Ethiopia is our mother. Neither can the family be at peace. So my brother, you have a big job in front of you. And mine today is to assure you and assure you, the people of Ethiopia, of our solidarity in that journey and our eagerness and commitment to see a peaceful and stable Ethiopia and ultimately a peaceful, stable and prosperous Africa. May God's blessings be with you and the people of Ethiopia as you embark on your journey. May God bless you all. Asanteni sana. Thank you.
We thank you, President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Mr. President, I now invite His Excellency Muhammadu Buhari.
Your Excellency, President of the Democratic Republic of Ethiopia, Your Excellency, Dr. Abiy Ahmed, Prime Minister, also people's representatives of Ethiopia, distinguished members of the Ethiopian Parliament, honorable ministers, ambassadors, and heads of diplomatic missions and international organizations, members of the press, friends of the Democratic Republic of Ethiopia, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. I bring up an honor for me to be here to witness this inauguration ceremony of His Excellency Dr. Abiy Ahmed for a second term in office as Prime Minister of the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia. Let me also express my appreciation to the government and people of Ethiopia for the warm reception accorded me and my delegation since our arrival in Ethiopia. I commend the courage and commitment of the people of Ethiopia to the values and principles of democracy. I strongly believe that the outcome of the elections held in June is a reflection of the desire of the Ethiopian people for transformation through a free, fair, and credible electoral process. Your Excellency's victory at this election clearly affirms the confidence of the Ethiopian people in your leadership, courage, and credentials. No doubt, it also underscores the years of your contribution to the development of Ethiopia's modern democracy. I therefore wish to express on behalf of the government and Nigerians my heartfelt congratulations to Your Excellency on this electoral victory. We are all aware of the many challenges facing the people of Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia, and we encourage all parties to come together in the interest of the unity, progress, and well-being of Ethiopia. Your Excellency, you therefore have a great opportunity to continue to work for the peace and stability of Ethiopia. Nigeria, like many other countries, is counting on your leadership to unleash the great economic potentials of Ethiopia by expanding investment opportunities, deepening relations, and building trust at home and abroad. Let me wish you a successful tenure in office, and I look forward to more fruitful, robust engagements between our two countries. I assure you that Nigeria will continue to support the unity and territorial integrity of Ethiopia. God bless the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. God bless Africa. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much indeed, Mr. President. I now invite His Excellency Muhammad Abdullahi for
President of Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia, Your Excellency Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed, Prime Minister of Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia, Your Excellencies, Honorable Head of States and Governments, representatives of government, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It's an honor to participate in this inauguration ceremony of the new government of Ethiopia, led by His Excellency Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed. I would like to thank His Excellency Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed and the people of Ethiopia for the customary warm welcome and hospitality accorded to my delegation and I. I congratulate the people of Ethiopia on strengthening their democracy by participating in their sixth national election and by electing a government that they feel will best represent them and their interest at this challenging time in human history. In this regard, the government and people of Somalia congratulate His Excellency Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed on his landslide electoral victory, and we wish his government great success in achieving their empowering policy and political agenda for the Ethiopian people. As the world faces some of the greatest challenges and crises which pose credible existential threat, including deadly COVID-19 virus, climate change, and terrorism, there has never been a greater need for visionary and strong leadership at all levels to understand how to manage all crises. In amongst all of today's difficulties, leaders must offer solutions, hope, and deliver results that can drive progress and prosperity for their people and nations. I strongly believe that African leaders, when working with their people and for the good of their common future, are an unstoppable force. The sixth Ethiopian electoral elections result clearly shows that the Ethiopian people have invested their future with Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed, who has proven to them that he is personally committed to their inclusive development. Having worked closely with Prime Minister Abiy, I'm confident that he will do his utmost to live up to his people's expectations. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, Ethiopia and Somalia enjoy historical bilateral relations and a strong bond of friendship built on mutual respect, strong people-to-people relations, and increased interdependence. Our two nations are jointly confronting international terrorism, strengthening trade, and working with our regional and continental partners to create a safe, integrated, and prosperous Horn of African region for the betterment of our people. This is an objective and ambition that the Somali government and people are invested in with Ethiopia and all other neighboring states, as well as our international partners. I would like to conclude by once again congratulating the government and people of Ethiopia for their successful election. I would also like to wish this new government, formed under the able leadership of His Excellency Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed, all success possible. I thank you all.
Thank you very much indeed, Mr. President. Thank you. Thank you very much. I now invite His Excellency Jean-Michel.
Excellences, Madame la Présidente de la République fédérale démocratique d'Éthiopie, Excellences, Monsieur le Premier ministre de la République fédérale démocratique d'Éthiopie, Excellences, Messieurs les chefs d'État et des gouvernements, ainsi que les hauts représentants de vos États respectifs. J'ai l'honneur de représenter parmi vous et de vous transmettre les salutations fraternelles de Son Excellence le Président de la République démocratique du Congo, Félix Antoine Tshisekedi Tshilombo, président en exercice de l'Union africaine, qui aurait tant voulu être parmi vous, mais est retenu par de grandes urgences d'État. Voici donc son message. Au nom de la République démocratique du Congo et en ma qualité de président en exercice de l'Union africaine, je tiens à féliciter le peuple frère d'Éthiopie et son Excellence, le Premier ministre Abiy Ahmed, pour avoir, avec succès, organisé les élections qui ont abouti à l'investiture aujourd'hui des autres autorités de la République fédérale démocratique d'Éthiopie. Nous souhaitons, comme à chacun des peuples d'Afrique, la paix, la prospérité, la concorde nationale, afin que, centrale de l'unité africaine et siège de l'Union africaine, la grande nation éthiopienne poursuive sa route vers le progrès et le développement. C'est donc en toute fraternité que nous vous souhaitons les vœux les meilleurs. Que vive la République fédérale démocratique d'Éthiopie. Que Dieu bénisse le peuple éthiopien et que Dieu bénisse l'Afrique. Je vous remercie.
We thank you very much indeed, Mr. President. We thank you above all presidents, to you, fruitful and milestone speculations for this new government. Thank you very much indeed. ከአደባባይና በመላው ዓለም እየተከታተላችሁ ያላችሁ ኢትዮጵያውያንና የኢትዮጵያ ወዳጆች እነሆ የኢትዮጵያ ከፍታ የኢትዮጵያ አዲስ ምዕራፍ የኢትዮጵያ አዲስ ራዕይ እውን የሚሆንበት ስነ ስርዓት ከዚህ ከመስቀል አደባባይ በልዩ ልዩ ስነ ስርዓቶች